Yo boys, we're back. Greetings and salutations. I'm here with the crew. So we got Johnny D over here. This is my boy Nick. Just met him last night. He's a wild animal. Love him. Grant over here, and Grant got a new car.
Yes, we did indeed.
Freaking Focus ST. Look at it in the light. Oh my, it looks blue now. It looked like gray earlier. Yeah. Now it looks blue. That's crazy. It's beautiful, dude. Turbo, 4-cylinder, all that good stuff. Oh, it's really bright. So today we're planning on going to a meet. We have a couple people who are going to be coming with us. Hunter is around, but we have to go wash these things because they're extremely dirty. And yeah, should be good. Alright, so we're going to go to the car wash now, get these Jones cleaned up. Hey. Alright, so y'all like my yellow 350Z with the big wing. But y'all gotta meet my boy Tomas over here. Dude, what's up? Oh man. Been good?
Yeah.
Been alright? This thing looks alright. Dang, dude. I like it. I love it. This thing's wild. Dang, man. Only 2 yellow 350s for like miles and miles. Oh yeah. Oh, you got the carbon fiber cover? Oh,
that's kind of sexy.
Gen intake? Oh man, that's nice.
6.75mm.
Oh wow. Is it tuned?
That looks
Is it tuned yet?
I'm waiting to get what's it called? Kinetics intake manifold.
Oh nice. Yo, this is Tomas right here.
How you doing?
That's Jonah. But yeah, I guess we have all the people we need. We're waiting on Grant. Grant's over there with the Focus ST. He's washing his car, and then we're good. But yeah, almost ready to roll out. This is quite the lineup we got going. This is nice. I like it. Yo, we rolling, boy. We rolling. All right. So we're heading out here in a second. I gotta pull up the GPS because I got the address. Yo, give me a minute to pull up the address. I'll be just a second. And now we wait for the squad. We all got separated at first, so we're gonna have to regroup again and find our way back. Oh hey, hey, what's up? How you guys doing? Ooh, dang, dude, that's so clean. That's so clean. Woo. There we go. Yo, that thing looks so cool. All right, we are on the highway, all in a nice uniform line. Got Tomas over there behind me, Hunter behind him, Johnny D behind him, and Grant back there, and Jonah back. So we're all set. We're all good. It's here to Park City Diner. So once we get there, I'll let you guys know. Hopefully this caravan keeps going as well as it is right now. It's going pretty well, so. Damn, it's so weird looking at another yellow 350. I never see them. I never see any other yellow 350s. It's wild. It's crazy. Damn. What's up?
How's it going?
Your name?
Chandler.
Chandler?
What's yours?
I'm John.
John, nice to meet you.
You know Tomas?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we met at another meeting.
Oh, okay. We just wanted to park up and get some photos of these all 3 together. Real quick. Oh, and this thing too. Oh, so this is Johnny D. That's my boy Hunter in there.
Chandler. Nice.
Yeah, dude. That's a Grant right there. What's going on, guys? Sorry about that mix-up. Oh my gosh. So there was so much. Oh my. So I hit open in maps from Facebook, but on Facebook it was set to Lancaster, Pennsylvania. Like that was the address, just Lancaster. So it was going to the middle of Lancaster. Exactly. So that was in my GPS, and then it was like, oh man, that thing is clean. I see it on the Cosmos wheels. That's real nice, dude. It's super clean. Oh my goodness. That's dope. Yo, should we try to all park next to each other somehow?
It's a 2J? Chandler said his
that's dope.
1200
Dang, dude. Is that right? Oh.
Alex got swag.
Oh shoot! Hello. What the heck? What the? What did y'all just see that?
Yeah.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
I saw that
That's
already.
it.
I'm not sure if I should be smiling or not. All right, let's see what's here because I haven't looked at anything.
Yeah, let's go
yet.
take a walk around, shall we?
I'm telling you that G35 looks so good.
I gotta see that. It's a dope Jeep right here. It's a nice suit. Is that straight pipe? Damn, this classic Camaro. This is
It
nice.
does look real nice.
Oh, no shit. Oh shit. Damn. Damn. Look at the fucking intake
we're gonna be here
manifold.
for a while.
Holy shit. Jeez, that's nuts.
That's stupid fast.
That's pretty serious. That's pretty serious.
Yeah, probably.
Damn. Got drag radials on the back. Damn, man. That's nuts. Yo, shout out this man's real quick. Shout out this man's.
85 seatbelted in the back.
Seatbelted? Oh, Jesus. That's crazy. Gotta love having back seats. This is nice. Love the yellow.
Yellow with bronze wheels. Bold choice.
Bold
Same
choice.
way you have. Bro,
Yeah.
I have to say, the flares on this look quite good.
Oh, yeah. These
that
look
actually
really
looks
good.
really good.
These
Those are
look
some
really
nice
good.
flares.
Dang, dude. Shout out to the owner. I don't know who that is, but Spataculos. That's dope.
Yeah, that's really nice.
That's sick. This is insane. This is wild.
Yeah, this is
tucking. That's
oh my
awesome.
God. pretty wild. That is a ginormous piece of glass.
Yeah. I think that's custom too. No, it definitely looks custom.
Yeah, she went
Check
down.
this thing out. Okay. Okay. Nice wrap. Oh, that's actually pretty sick. Look at that. It's like stickers under the paint.
Your interior.
Oh boy, let me see. Let me
That's what
see.
you should do with your interior.
Woo, damn. All right, so it's got nice seats, bride seats. Yo, it's like
it really
sparkling.
does.
That's crazy. It sparkles and stuff. That's dope.
Oh yeah, look at this compartment. It says rules for passenger: no screaming or crying, no touching buttons and levers, and hold the fuck on. I like that.
That's dope. Oh, yo, it is an Nismo. It's a Nismo plate.
Oh, yo.
Definitely. Got the same, the SVT wheels on it. Oh, it is an 86. That's sick. Carbon fiber on the fenders. That's awesome.
This is definitely what's gonna have to be on my wish list.
Oh yeah. Just looking at the future here.
Yeah.
That's dope. That's sick.
So just take a picture, copy it, and then a year later we'll put it in. Like, hey, there it is.
Exactly. Damn. This is gigantic.
Yeah, it's turbo.
Jesus.
4-inch downside.
On the right.
Something like that, probably.
There was some woman calling in, and she's like, I'm trying to go to Ollie's. What are all these people doing here? It's like, Army? What? She was like, I couldn't hear her. I'm just trying to go to Ollie's. I'm just trying to go to Ollie's. She's like, I was like, you can just park over there. There's still more spots. Like, yeah.
All right, so we just enjoyed some pizza at Infinito's real quick. And while I was in there, this beautiful turbo 350Z showed up. It's got a little bit of ugliness on the front, but that's okay. This thing's insane. I love it. This thing out, dude. Oh, it's got the side window louvers. Oh wow. I've always thought about getting those things, but never really knew. That's dope. Wow. All right, so Mr. Officer showed up, and the meet's just about wrapping up. Before it wraps up, though, we're gonna go check out one more car that's sitting over here. Apparently, it's the R32 with an LS swap and a big single or twin. Oh, big single. All right. Jesus Christ!
I told you.
Dog, that's wild. Oh my God! All right, first off.
This is
That's just nuts.
And then he
I
actually,
would
the only reason I
That's
really wanted
crazy.
to use Rain Money.
100%.
Like his mom
That's a
had
sick
before.
wrap.
Yep.
I like the
They bought a
color
car
choice
off
too.
him, but they wouldn't
This
use
dude
it,
just
so
won. He won.
Yeah,
This dude just won. He won. This dude just won. Dang. Oh man, everything about this is so wild. Oh my god.
cards.
Are you serious? Oh my god, that's crazy. That's crazy, dude. Oh my goodness.
That's pretty fun.
This does look.
This is wild.
Look at the wrap on the.
Oh,
This is an R32 or look at that.
Oh, R32.
That's what you should do to your roof.
Oh no, I'm not doing glitter wrap. Yeah, I think it's about time we make our escape. So we're gonna head back now. We've seen pretty much everything. Definitely seen everything now.
I'm not gonna hate or anything. It's different,
Mhm.
but it's not for me, Chief.
Oh yeah. Look at freaking 350Z row over here.
You guys always see water.
Dang. Look at all these Z's. Oh my goodness. Hold on. Let me get like a back. Maybe that's thumbnail. I have no idea. That's crazy. This one's just insane. That's a Nismo. That's a 370. There's mine. That's just modified. Same, just modified. You got this one, yellow with the big wing, and then the 280. Forgot I had my jar of coins in the car. Yo.
I had to get back, but
Okay.
thank you guys.
Yo, not a problem, dude. Not a problem. That was so much fun. I loved it. I loved every second of it. This thing's parked up now for the night.
Yeah.
Dawson's back. Grant and Nick left a little bit early. Hunter's over here, and yeah. So that's pretty much it. That's the end of the night, guys.
You know what else? You know what I found in my pocket?
What's that?
Another goddamn condom.
Really?
He's putting condoms in my pocket without me noticing.
Maybe someone's trying to tell you. No, I'm playing. Alright guys, that is going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you appreciate the vibes, leave a subscribe, leave a like if you'd like. I've been Johnny Allen. This is Supercar Kid. Hope you enjoyed the video. And until the next stream though, boys. Until the next stream. Peace.